Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Iftar Mubarak. So I've been having cold for the past 3 days now, and it's not going. And I really think of what to use because I don't want to use any drugs like Bentans, Procode, Septrin, Contact, all those rubbish. Literally, those drugs are just draining me. So I brought about this homemade tea that I can use for my coughing. So I got these ingredients, which is atari, clove, and dried ginger. Alligator pepper, because not everyone understand what's atari. So alligator pepper, clove, and dry ginger, which I'll be adding in the homemade tea that I'll be making. So I added it into the hot water. Then here is lemon that I'm also going to be adding into the hot water because it's also part of the ingredient. So I added the lemon too inside the hot water. Then I just cover it up for a while to boil. So I have this ginger sweet that I used to take anytime I'm having cold. It helps a lot. It helps a lot. So I'm also going to be adding this ginger sweet for the fact that it has ginger. So instead of me adding honey in the tea or adding sugar, so I'm going to be making use of this sweet. So I also added the sweet inside the hot water and just cover it up. So, and again, I'll also be adding ginger powder again to show that I want the tea to be very pepperish, that when I take it I'll feel something down my throat. So I'm also going to be adding turmeric because literally turmeric is part of the ingredient I browsed about. So I measured the amount of the powder I'm going to be making use of, which is teaspoon, but I'm supposed to use just 1 teaspoon of turmeric because it shouldn't be much. But anyway, it's just for healing. So I pour it inside the hot water too and just cover it up to boil for a while. So here my tea is ready. You can see everything has mixed up, it has boiled. So now the next step for me is to sieve. So here I'm going to be sieving my tea inside this bowl and you're all going to see the outcome. So here is the outcome of the tea. You can see it's looking so smooth and it's looking very juicy. Trust me, this tea really worked for me. It's fast healing compared to taking all those deadly drugs that somebody will just be sleeping anyhow.